Namaste and welcome viewers. You're watching Daily Mirror. It's me Ashish Parekh. Rift between alliance partners in ruling Mahayuti is only intensifying with every single passing day. And this is just ahead of the state assembly elections. Maharashtra Minister and Shiv Sena leader Tanaji Sawant has now taken a new jibe at Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar, who heads the NCP. He was speaking at an event today. Tanaji Sawant said that he never ever got along with the NCP. What is even more embarrassing for the NCP is that the Maharashtra minister has also claimed that he feels like puking after sitting beside Ajit Pawar in the cabinet. Listen to what he had to say.
काँग्रेस आणि राष्ट्रवादीचं माझं जमलेलं नाही. शिकत असताना आता ती वास्तव जसं एनर्जी पुढे खाली उलट्यावर चालवतात ती अवस्था आहे. कारण ते विचार परिपूर्ण भिडलेले आहेत त्याच्यामुळे ते शक्य आहे. आज जरी आम्ही कॅबिनेटला मांडीला बसलो असलो तरी सुद्धा बाहेर आल्यानंतर उलट्या होतात. ही वस्तुस्थिती सहन होत नाही. ते आता वयाच्या 7व्या वर्षी म्हणून बदलू शकत नाही. जे काय 15-20 वर्षाचं पोरग आहे आता तू असं कर बापाला थोडं जम दिला की झाला होत नाही ते. लक्षात त्याच्यामुळं आम्ही तशी बांधलेला आहोत.
As expected, this remark has not gone down well with the NCP, which has warned the Sena of getting a befitting reply if they do not follow alliance dharma.
राज्य के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री के लिए अच्छी नहीं. उल्टी आना या दूसरा कोई रोग होना ये स्वास्थ्य मंत्री के लिए अच्छी बात नहीं है. महाराष्ट्र के लिए ये शोभा देने वाली बात नहीं है. ये एकनाथ शिंदे जी के पार्टी के स्वास्थ्य मंत्री है. एकनाथ शिंदे जी खुद मुख्यमंत्री है. मेरी एकनाथ शिंदे जी से गुजारिश है कि ये जो बीमारी है वो ज़्यादा खाने से और गलत खाने से होती है. तो हमारा यही कहना है कि भाई इनको अच्छे से अच्छे डॉक्टर मुहैया कराए जाए और इनका इलाज कराया जाए. अगर इनके पास कोई अच्छे डॉक्टर नहीं तो हम अजीत दादा को बोल के इनको अच्छे से अच्छे डॉक्टर की ट्रीटमेंट करा सकते हैं.
As you'd expect, the opposition MVA has also waded into this entire row. They're now claiming that Mahayuti is very clearly divided and the Sena BJP now don't need Ajit Pawar anymore.
The Shinde Sena leader Tanaji Sawant saying that he feels like vomiting when he sits next to Mr. Ajit Pawar in a cabinet meeting is a different level of insult. This just goes to show that the Mahayuti does not need him anymore. RSS mouthpiece questioned the BJP why they took Ajit Pawar. BJP cadre questioning. BJP cadre protests against him. Now the Shinde Sena leaders are saying something as insulting and derogatory as they feel like vomiting.
देखो, ये हमने शुरुआत में कहा कि महाराष्ट्र की महायुति की भ्रष्ट जो सरकार है इनमें महाभारत चल रहा है और ये महाभारत हम सब लोग देख रहे हैं. लेकिन हम जब बात करते तो हम आरोप लगाते हैं, ऐसा आपके मीडिया के माध्यम से वस्तुस्थिति हमने रखी है. अभी तो बहुत सारी घटनाएं आगे आगे होने वाली है. भुजबल एक तरफ रहते, उनका आधा मंडल एक तरफ रहता है, तो वो भी चल रहा है. तो ये देखिए अब क्या क्या होता है. लेकिन महाराष्ट्र की प्रतिमा मलिन करने का जवाब जो बीजेपी और उनके साथी लोग कर रहे हैं वो कदापि महाराष्ट्र की जनता सहन नहीं करेगी.
हिंदी फिल्मों का एक मशहूर गाना है कि अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है. अभी तो महायुति सरकार की कलह सामने आ रही है. अभी तो बहुत खींचातानी बाकी है. अभी तो एकनाथ शिंदे की कथित शिवसेना, अजीत दादा पवार की कथित राष्ट्रवादी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी में अभी बहुत मनमुटाव बाकी है. सिर फुटबॉल बाकी है. एक दूसरे के कपड़े तक फाड़ देंगे ये लोग, क्योंकि ये लोग सत्ता के लिए आए हैं, सेवा के लिए नहीं. जो सत्ता के लिए आता है ना वो अपना फायदा देखता है. ये आपस में तीनों ही पार्टी के नेता एक दूसरे के खिलाफ जो बयानबाजियां कर रहे हैं ना, अभी तो बात उल्टी तक आई है. अभी तो इनकी चीर फाड़ ऑपरेशन सब बाकी है. अब बताइए अजीत दादा पवार के हाथ क्या लग रहा है. अजीत दादा पवार के खिलाफ कभी आरएसएस बोल रही है, कभी आरएसएस का मुखपत्र बोल रहा है, कभी एकनाथ शिंदे की कथित शिवसेना के मंत्री बोल रहे हैं, कभी तानाजी सावंत, कभी कोई और. तो अजीत दादा पवार आपको सोचना चाहिए.
So very clearly there you just heard all the reactions that are coming in, and a maha political drama in Maharashtra right now as far as this issue is concerned. And we also have a panel of experts, in fact, from political parties. Abhishek Mishra from the BJP, Susiben Shah, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena, Chandrasekhar Jha from the Shiv Sena Uddhav faction, and Bhavna Sharma Jain from the Congress. Appreciate you all for joining us on the broadcast. Susi Benji, let me start with you first. Your leader, Tanaji Sawant, says he feels nauseous. He feels like puking while he's sitting next to Ajit Pawar. Do you also share similar sentiments?
And I would just like to tell you this, that the Mahayuti, the tall leaders, who are the leaders who decide on the policies of Mahayuti? It is our Narendra Modi ji, it is Amit Shah ji, it is our Honorable Chief Minister Eknath Rao Shinde ji, Devendra Fadnavis ji. They sit together and make up policies after that. Tanaji Sawant gave an individual statement. He shouldn't have. It does spoil the atmosphere of the party. It really spoils the atmosphere of the coalition dharma. But I'm sure that they will sit together, sort out the problem. As far as Maha Aghadi is concerned, every other day, Nana Patole ji and Uddhav Thackeray ji are settling scores amongst them. Huge controversies, on seat sharing, you saw in Lok Sabha, you will continue to see in the Vidhan Sabha as well. But above all that, I'm surprised as the topic of this debate today. Today is a great day for Maharashtra. 75,000 crore Vadhavan port has been, Bhumi Pujan has been done today, which will create 12 lakh jobs. That is the topic of discussion. We are talking about the Niti, Niyam or Vikas of Maharashtra. These are small little statements here and there, and I don't think Mahayuti strongly together.
Okay, I'll get
will
in.
ensure.
I'll get in Chandrasekhar. One second, Susi Benji, one second, just one second. I'll get in Chandrasekhar Jha from the Uddhav Sena. Chandrasekhar Jhaji, do you think this is a very small statement, stating that sitting with the
Nobody
alliance
spoke up.
partners of yours, you feel like puking because you dislike him so much? Do you think it's a very small statement?
The rift which had occurred 2.5 years back was due to the NCP's presence in our alliance, and due to that, they made statements before the public that they don't want to be in this alliance, and therefore rift was caused in Shiv Sena, and the two sides got broken out. And if you see today what is happening, they are telling again the same thing in the BJP alliance. So this rift has to be there. This rift have to come out in the public. And if you see today's position, what is happening, it is very clear this alliance is not going to work out. Tomorrow, after the elections are conducted and they lose the elections in Maharashtra, the day they lose the elections, the rift will be much more higher and at a level which you cannot imagine. So if you see today what is happening, there is a complete law and order failure in Maharashtra. Last 2-3 months, the incidents which have occurred in Maharashtra, even the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj could not stand all these things, and the apology has to be tendered by our Prime Minister today in the inauguration ceremony.
He's already given
which
the
was
apology.
conducted for-
He's already given the
yes.
apology, Chandrasekhar
Yes,
Jhaji.
but-
Let's
yes,
not divert
but-
from the topic. Sorry to interrupt you.
Yes.
Abhishek Mishra from BJP is joining us. I'll take this point across to Abhishek Mishra ji quickly. Abhishek ji, as a alliance partner, how do you view this? Because this is embarrassing for your alliance. On one hand, the NCP comes and sits and protests as far as the collapse of the Shivaji statue is concerned, even though they are in alliance with you. On the other hand, a Shinde Sena leader comes out and says that he feels like puking when he sits next to Ajit Pawar. It look like it's good days ahead for the BJP with these two allies.
See, you have to understand fundamentally that these all the political parties, technically we are in alliance, but they are separate political parties. So when a particular leader of a political party who is part of our alliance, when he gives a statement, because he is not part of that political party. So officially, Eknath Shinde ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, he is the head of Shiv Sena. So unless Eknath ji gives a statement, only then can we react. Yes, his party colleague, someone in his party has made a statement. Eknath Shinde will take cognizance of that as Chief Minister and head of Shiv Sena. In the alliance overall, there is complete unity.
Abhishek
If you see
Mishra ji-
every event
Abhishek Mishra ji, this is not a party work on ground that has given a statement.
Let me complete.
Abhishek Mishra ji, I'll have to one second. This is a minister.
They are holding public
You can't
programs
say this is
together.
just a random statement. It's a minister that's spoken. It's a minister that has given a statement. It is not some You attack the Congress, you attack the Indian bloc when Sam Pitroda gives a statement. Why shouldn't the opposition attack you? Someone like a minister gives out a statement like this.
See, you have to understand technically, under the constitution of their own political party, Shiv Sena, only the chief leader, Eknath Shinde ji, is authorized to decide the policy of the political party. In the alliance, Eknath ji, Ajit Pawar ji and Devendra Fadnavis ji, they are the official people who have to decide the policy of the alliance. Hence, yes, a minister has a statement. I agree, but it does not impact the alliance overall. Our alliance is focused on development. Our agenda for people is the money we are giving to the sisters in our state. Our focus is on the development projects we are taking. The alliance goes to the people of Maharashtra with the development, with the long-term the policies we have. If a political party is minister, member of the three party out of the three parties, he makes a statement. Yes, the leader of his political party will see that statement should not be made.
Okay.
Alliance is strong. We are united. We will win the election.
All right,
yes, one leader of a political party has made. His boss will decide and take action, and no statements are made in future.
Okay. Bhavna Sharma Jain from the Congress. Bhavna ji, how do you get this? Now, Abhishek Mishra from the BJP now says that a alliance partner can come out and say that, okay, I feel like puking when I sit next to my partner. That is fine, but the voters will come out and vote. How does it make sense? How does a voter vote for two leaders together when they don't even have a partnership there? One leader says that I feel like puking, the other leader goes going out and protesting against someone. How is this an alliance?
See, we have to understand that this is an alliance of convenience of people who have no common interests, and their only interest is to loot the state of Maharashtra and the people of Maharashtra. It is over the last 2.5 years, seen over and over again the loot that is going on. The recent example being the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj statue. It was just inaugurated 8 months back by Honorable Prime Minister, and it lies shattered. And the way it was, the contracts were given, the way the contracts are being given today across the state, it is horrific to see the level of corruption, they are under tremendous stress, because they have seen the 2024 Lok Sabha result. And in the result, they have been completely shown the door by people of Maharashtra. They know what is coming. So that is why they are distancing. They are targeting each other to show that, okay, how can I save my state and my leader? So that is why Shinde Sena is just saying, oh, listen, I don't like this guy. I don't like NCP, but I have to with him in cabinet meetings. I feel like puking. I will have to sit with him in cabinet meetings.
Bhavna ji.
Well, the chief minister
Bhavna ji, before you began,
those cabinet meetings.
Before you began, just a small interruption. Before you began, you said this is an alliance of convenience. If this is an alliance of convenience, Bhavna ji, then what is the alliance between Congress and Uddhav Thackeray?
The alliance that came together between Uddhav Thackeray ji and the Congress and the Sharad Pawar NCP, the real NCP and the real Sena, it was totally in the interest of the people of Maharashtra. And why, I will tell you. Because that the way they were betrayed, see, the BJP tries to kill the party that it's in alliance with. It's a complete example. In state after state, they have done that. And so Sena felt that BJP was not a good alliance partner with which they could thrive in the future. Hence, they decided to choose new partners. And I think in politics, that itself is a way forward when they see that BJP wants to finish the local regional parties in every state. It's not just in Maharashtra. You see state after state, what has been done with their alliance partners? Every single one of them have deserted them. Now, with the 2024 results, they have had to, pander to the needs of the Andhra chief minister and their alliance partner in Bihar. So
Okay,
now, because the
I'll ask
people of
Susiben Shaji to respond to this.
country have shown
Susiben
that
Shaji, this is a very serious allegation. Right, all right. There seems to be some issue with the network there with Susiben Shaji. Susiben Shaji, if you can hear me right now, I want you to respond to Bhavna Sharma here. She clearly says that this is an alliance of convenience and your karma is biting you back.
I'm
All right, there seems to be some audio issue there. We'll of course try to connect with Susiben Shaji here. Abhishek Mishra, of course, from the same alliance partner. Abhishek Mishra, this is now Bhavna Sharma Jain from the Congress stating that you are only now getting what karma that you did. You tried breaking up other parties and now you've ended up with two allies that are every single day attacking each other.
No, first of all, every single day we are not attacking each other. Every single day, all the alliance parties, they are working together. There have been, there have been meetings of all political parties together. All the Karyakartas are united. All our office bearers are united. All the government schemes we are taking to the people, we are going together. Entire Maharashtra, every district, all our three top leaders, Eknath Shinde ji, Devendra Fadnavis ji, Ajit Pawar ji, they have all gone together, and all government schemes, they are speaking together. This is a government development. This is a government for the progress of people of Maharashtra. And that is why the three parties are working together. They're united on the principle of development, on the principle of making Maharashtra a prosperous and more state which where the people are feeling secure and safe. So you understand the three parties
But Abhishek
are
Mishra,
combined, and we are going to win the election in Maharashtra. Our focus
Abhishek
is the
Mishra,
same. Our leaders are united.
you say these
Yes.
three parties are together because
You have
of
to understand
principle
one
of
technical
development.
fact in democracy.
How do the
Once again,
voters
let me
believe you?
complete.
Because this is the
In
same Ajit
democracy, there
Pawar
is a
not very
technical
long
fact.
ago.
Even
The
if
Prime
three
Minister
parties are
called
in
him the most
alliance,
corrupt man.
fundamentally because
And
each
now we are in alliance.
party is a different
So how does the
political party.
voter believe that
Some
this is a
leader in the
principle?
political party can have his own opinion.
Go ahead.
No, the principle is that we have to work for the development of Maharashtra. That is the principle. We are focused on that. Our
Okay.
leaders are Eknath Shinde ji,
Okay.
Devendra Fadnavis ji, Ajit Pawar ji. Has out of the three leaders, have they given any statement contradictory to each other? All three leaders or top leaders are united. Yes, I repeat again. In a political party, one
But
of the
then,
junior leaders.
okay,
even if
Abhishek
he is
Mishra,
a junior
quick
compared to
counter.
Eknath Shinde.
Abhishek Mishra ji,
If he
quick
makes a
counter.
wrong
Quick
statement,
counter.
Eknath Shinde ji
Quick
will take
counter.
action on that.
You say it's not a controversy. You say it's not a controversy unless Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar, or Eknath Shinde say something. Then why do you get so agitated? Why you get so frustrated when Sanjay Raut gives a statement? By that logic, it's Uddhav Thackeray who's supposed to give a statement, and his statement should be reacted on. Why do you get irritated when Sanjay says something?
No, first of all, who has got irritated? Till today, has Amit Shah ji, Narendra Modi ji, Devendra Fadnavis ji ever commented on any reaction of Sanjay Raut? We have not taken Sanjay Raut seriously. None of our leaders. Tell me one cabinet minister of India. Tell me one, has JP Nadda ever given a statement on Sanjay Raut? We don't take Sanjay Raut seriously. Who has this false view? The statement of Devendra Fadnavis ji,
Susi
Eknath
Benji,
Shinde ji,
we just
Ajit
heard the
Pawar ji are
Congress there.
statements of the alliance.
Susi Benji is also here. It's concerned to her party. Susi Benji, just heard Bhavna Sharma ji attack you. She's clearly said that the fact that this entire alliance is together, it's only by breaking other parties, bringing in, stitching in alliance that are unholy alliances. How do you respond to this? This is now the Congress saying that this is a karma that's biting the Mahayuti back.
We are the natural alliance. We have Kamal. We have the Dhanushban. They have an alliance the last 25 years. I think we are the longest standing alliance in the country. So let us not confuse ourselves. As far as NCP is concerned, this is the new avatar of NCP, and Ajit Dada is an able administrator, a tall Maratha leader, has joined us. As far as the Mahayuti is concerned, our decisions are made together. We have stalwarts, we have tall leaders, ably governed, and the decision is taken by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. I will again say, in the coming 2 months, you will see that Maharashtra will forget about the false narrative which is spread by the Aghadi about the changing of the constitution, a particular minority voter voting for them. It is only because of them that they have won. It should be remembered that we are the Shiv Sena, the ideology of Bala Sahib Thackeray. We have safeguarded and we believe in Bala Sahib Thackeray's ideology. 80% समाज का 20% पॉलिटिक्स जो दुबे जी बोल के गए आगे को समझना चाहिए कि नकली शिवसेना उबाटा आपकी. We only are talking about development. You see today we are the highest in foreign
Okay.
investment. We have the first number one state in the infrastructure projects. We are the number one state. Trust me, in 2 months, Maha Vikas Agadi with the staring contradictions. Here's the alliance where the UBT and Congress. It was Bala Sahib who said that I can never tolerate an alliance with the Congress party. And here you have UBT standing shoulder to shoulder, goes to meet.
Also,
goes to
Susi
meet.
Benji,
No, let me
sorry to
complete.
interrupt,
Let
but there's
me
also
complete.
perception that the Shinde Sena BJP now feels that there's no need for Ajit Pawar, he's only a liability.
No, we are a Mahayuti government. We are strongly together. We have stitched an alliance which is rock solid, and we are one of the finest and the tallest administrator and leader of Maharashtra.
Okay.
And you will
Bhavna-
see, come November.
Bhavna Sharma ji from the Congress wants to
Bhavna-
counter you on this.
Last
I
statement.
want to say
Bhavna
that
is
the
a
corruption in this
mine.
government is very, very visible. And in project after project, the corruption
One
is
example.
coming up.
You can't just shoot
The
and scoot. One
BMC
One-
in Mumbai have been completely
One second.
allocated.
Bhavna ji, 1 second. Let
Sena.
let Susi Ben Shah make the point. Bhavna ji, 1 second. Yeah, go ahead.
Bhavna ji is talking, Bhavna is a dear friend. She's talking about corporation for the longest time. For 20 years, she's forgotten. It was UBT, Uddhav Thackeray, who's used Mumbai as a milking cow. They are the most corrupt party. What are we talking about?
Okay.
Today.
Okay,
Bhavna should
okay.
talk
Susi
about
Benji, that's
Agadi.
again. Let's talk about all that. We'll talk about all that on a different debate.
want to
Let's
say
now stick
this.
to the topic at hand. Bhavna Sharma ji, do
I
you think this
want
is now the Shinde Sena and the BJP trying to discard Ajit Pawar because they feel like, okay, looks like Ajit Pawar is a liability, did not get us anything in the Lok Sabha election, so now let's somehow get done with him.
I strongly feel that the BJP will show its true colors even to Shinde Sena. My good friend Susie Ben will also realize that even the Shinde Sena will be finished. That with the way the BJP wants to control everything and finish their regional partners, they will never let any regional aspirations rise. That is what is happening first with Ajit Pawar, and slowly they will see with Eknath Shinde also being sidelined completely in the coming days. You will
But
see
Bhavna
it.
ji,
It's going
Eknath
to be
Shinde has
visible.
been made Chief Minister. What else could he have asked for? Bhavna ji, Eknath Shinde has been made the Chief Minister.
It is today. We have an election coming up in a month and a half. Let us see who becomes the chief minister at that time. Let us see how many seats that the Shinde Sena gets from the BJP. Let us see what happens to the NCP. See, it is the infighting of the three parties because it's all about their personal interest, self-interest, pleasing each MLA by giving them funds. When the MLAs, don't like what they're getting, they are rebelling against, because it's a matter of convenience. They've been brought together by Khoke. It's a total Khoke Sarkar. It's been brought together by corruption for corruption. So it's very visible. And the point that I would like to make is the people of Maharashtra have recognized this government, have realized what they stand for and what they mean. And you will see the results in the upcoming assembly elections where they will face a rout. I can tell you right now on live TV that they will face a rout and the people of Maharashtra will throw them out.
All right. This is again a ironic thing that, of course, one alliance partner in Maharashtra can say for the other one. All right. Before we wrap, final word from Susi Ben, because it's her party that's facing the ire today. It's her party that's actually the news maker. So, Susi Benji, the stage is all yours.
We are the news makers because we do newsworthy work. Today, one port, 75,000 crores, 12 lakh jobs. Maharashtra is number one
Full of
in
corruption.
forest
Susi
investment.
Benji, you start talking
Number
about all
one
that.
in
Full
Now
of
the Congress will
corruption.
start talking about Badlapur. Let's not go there.
The Congress should talk about their achievements. Talk about how Nana Patole ji and Uddhav Thackeray are sitting eye to eye as far as Mumbai is concerned. As far as Mahayuti is concerned, we can say very responsibly, very sternly that we are together. Come October, come November, we form the government because this time
Okay.
there is no false narrative, there is no false perception to be created. Only on development in support of Mahashakti.
All right, Susi Benji, we're running out of time on the broadcast.
Thank you so
Appreciate you all for joining us. Unfortunately, we're running short of time on the broadcast. Appreciate you all for joining us. This is, of course, a debate that we can keep having about the divide between the alliance partners. We'll, of course, keep a track on everything that's happening in Maharashtra. But let's now shift our focus to what's happening in Paris right now. Some breaking update coming in from there.